Hi, I am Tom Hogue. Welcome to the law offices of Thomas Hogue website. We are a full-service disability and employment law firm. We primarily represent workers who have been injured on the job. We pride ourselves with getting the best result possible and moving our cases forward to bring them to a successful conclusion. We have an excellent track record and many hundreds of satisfied clients. Please take a look at the testimonials on our website to see the nice things that people are saying about our firm. We make every effort to keep our clients informed and move forward with their cases and bring them to a successful conclusion. We have been handling workers' compensation and Social Security disability claims, personal injury claims, and employment cases, including wage and hour claims, for the past 30 years. We are here to help you. Please give us a call for a free consultation. With few exceptions, there is no fee unless we win your case.